Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand, I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. Just been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ashana here. I'm back with a new video, and today of course we're going to be getting ready together. I've been feeling purple lately. My last video was a freaking epic fail with purple, but I made it work. If you want to see my epic fail, I will link everything in the description box. I will pop up in the cards. I freaking miss you guys. I'm filming on a Wednesday. Who's she, right? Anyway, so we're gonna get into some makeup, nothing crazy. I just want to give you this nice summery plum purple look, like a smoky or matte halo eye. I haven't done a halo eye in a while, and I never did a halo eye with or matte shades, so this should be interesting. Now, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Don't forget to follow all my social medias. Is it this side or is it this side? I don't know. It's gonna pop up on one of these sides. Don't forget to follow me on my social media so we can stay connected, so we can be besties. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and we about to get started. Okay, so the eyes are primed. Now we're gonna go in with the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette, and this has been one of my favorite palettes as well. I'm gonna go in with Flare. It's like a nice deep plum shade right here. I'm gonna put that into my crease.
That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go.
Okay, so now we're gonna go in to the KARITY palette, and we're gonna go in with this nice orange bright shade, which is called Vegas. This is my favorite transition shade. Now I'm gonna go back in with Flare from the ITSMYRAYERAYE palette. I'm gonna go back into that, and then I'm going to go in and intensify the crease. That's what I always do with all my cut creases, because we want it to look so good. We're gonna go in with Alexi and put that on my lid.
Here I am, know it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with a small pencil brush. I'm going to use the ITSMYRAYERAYE's 7 brush, and I'm going to go into Majesty, and go into Majesty. Whatever you say, Mrs. Majesty. Oh, oh. So I'm gonna put on my NYX liner, and this is just to hide when I put my lash band. Hide the lash band is nothing crazy, but I do like how it looks good in the photos. So that's what I'm about to do right now.
I was high and I was low, moved through mountains, rain and snow, but I felt that I was further from the truth. Dark and stormy night, rolling thunder, flashing light. Heard a whisper in the night, and it said, you should go back home, go back home, go back home, go.
made it to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a beautiful weekend, or whatever you're doing. Have a good day at work, school, whatever you do. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really like how this came out. Like, I don't think I ever did an all matte halo eye, but I think this came out fire. So all my purple lovers out there, my favorite color is red, of course. I love you guys so much. Make sure you come back to my channel, of course, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get notified all the time, every time I upload. Follow my social medias. I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.